In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a WordPress page quickly and easily. This is perfect if you want to reuse the same layout or save time building new pages. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. To get started, head into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click Add New and search for Duplicate Page. You will see a plugin with that name. Install it and then click Activate. Once activated, go back to the Pages section in your dashboard. Find the page you'd like to copy, and now you'll see a new option called Duplicate This under the page title. Click it and instantly WordPress creates a clone of your page. That's it, your new duplicate page is ready for editing or reuse. A super simple way to speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials.